Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify, basically how to connect Shopify to TikTok Shop, right? So connecting your Shopify store to TikTok Shop is a great way to expand your reach and sell directly through the platform. Basically set up your TikTok business account. If you haven't turned your account to a business account, make sure that you do on your phone in your TikTok account. And then after you completed your profile, you're gonna just install the TikTok app on Shopify. So you're gonna click right here to search, and then you're gonna just type right here TikTok, and then basically go ahead to the TikTok right here, and then basically once you search for the TikTok app and then add the app to your extension and then follow the prompts to install the app to Shopify store. And then basically after you log into your TikTok app, open the TikTok app in your Shopify admin. After you link it right here, click install and then add your account to it, and then just give permission to allow TikTok the necessary permissions to access your Shopify store. And then you're going to be able to create engaging content, right? Start promoting your products by creating engaging content by products, by creating engaging TikTok videos showcasing your products, and make use of hashtags, trending sounds, and TikTok advertising options to drive traffic to your TikTok store. And then to comment, engage with audience, participate in challenges, and engage with other users to build your brand presence on TikTok. And then just monitor your performance. Utilize your Shopify store and TikTok analytics to monitor the performance of your products and engagement on your content. And based on your performance data, tweak your marketing strategies, products offering, offerings as necessary, and make sure that you stay updated. And then make sure that you both Shopify and TikTok are continually updating their features. So keep an eye out for any changes for new tools that can enhance your selling experience. And then to increase visibility, consider using TikTok ads to promote your shop and products even further. And by following these steps, you can effectively connect your Shopify store to TikTok shop and start selling on one of the most popular social media platforms today. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.